At NAFFCO, we engineer more than vehicles. We craft lifelines. Built for performance, designed for endurance, tested for the toughest missions. With 1,000 liters of water, 100 liters of foam, and complete rescue equipment, the NAFFCO Rapid Intervention Vehicle is ready to face any emergency. When the call comes, every second matters. That's why NAFFCO builds with one mission: to protect, to rescue, and to save lives. NAFFCO, built for the moment that matters.